Here we go. There we go. Yes!
Severe thunderstorm watch number 117, effective until 1 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Adams, Columbia, Dane, Green Lake, Greene, Iowa, Juneau, Lafayette, Marquette, Richland, Rock, Sauk and Vernon, and Stevenson, Illinois. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.